Welcome to Email Ninja Training Video 6, Calendars. The first rule of calendars, use them. Put everything in there. If you are off on vacation, put it on your calendar. If you are having a meeting, put it on your calendar. If you're going off-site to do training, put it on your calendar. If you need to schedule a meeting with someone, use the calendar. Don't send an email and say, are you available? This particularly becomes difficult if you're trying to gather up 10 or 15 people to join a meeting. You never know who's going to have time available if you just do it by email. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that if you record your vacation days. Recording your vacation days are done as appointments. So you click the new appointment, you say vacation day, you pick the day you're going to be on vacation, and you check the all-day event. By checking the all-day event, this blocks off your entire calendar for that day so that no one sees that you might be in or you might not be in or whatever. The other thing you want to do is if you've got a smartphone and you don't want to get the reminder that you're on vacation, check the reminder and set it to none so that it does not remind you 18 hours beforehand while you're sleeping that you're on vacation tomorrow. The next thing you want to do is record all of your appointments. Appointments are done the same way as vacation. It's a new appointment, except when you record your appointment, you want to make sure that you capture the entire time range that you have this appointment. If you're going to be gone for 2 hours or 3 hours or 15 or 20 minutes, put a start time, put an end time. This will enable people trying to schedule appointments with you to know whether you're available or not. Lastly is meetings. Meetings should be used to schedule with other people. So, case in point, I need to have a meeting later on this week with a few people in the office. You can use the new meeting, and the beauty of the new meeting is you create your subject. You can indicate a location, and then you go to the scheduling assistant. So in the scheduling assistant, you can list all the people that you need to have your meeting with. The caveat to this is it does only work with people that are using iCat's email. So I'm going to include Adam, I'm going to include Paul, and I'm going to include Sandy Foster. So you can see right here in these columns when people are available and when they are not. So you'll notice that everything across the top is a solid blue bar. This means that one or more person in that you've invited over here on the left-hand side is busy. So what you can do is you can say, all right, well, it doesn't look like I can do something with anybody at 11 tomorrow, so let's shoot for 1 o'clock or noon. And you can see right here that noon is free. And then you can also see on the right-hand side here as suggested times that noon to 12:30 is free as well. If I need to expand the time, I can just drag it left or right and create a larger block of time. And then once I've picked everybody and found an open time for those people, I can hit send. If I want to go back to the appointment part, then I can include information in the body of that email to say what we're going to discuss or maybe a small itinerary or whatever, and then you can send that email out. So keeping your information in your calendar is important. Use it, use it, use it. It will be an invaluable tool to help you avoid wasting time trying to set up meetings or find people or where is so-and-so and things of that nature.